how to use Note tool in Photoshop. That's what we are going to do in today's video. But first, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question if you have. And also don't forget to watch our other Photoshop videos in our Photoshop 2022 playlist. And let's get started right now. So in the default interface of Photoshop, the Note tool is not appearing here, but it's appearing when you hold over this eyedropper tool, holding it, and here's the Note tool. Now this tool is changed into the Note tool, and if you want to return back to the eyedropper tool, simply hold on it and click. So we need the Note tool for now, and the Note tool is mainly used for people who collaborate on Photoshop, people who share files or have edits from multiple or more people on Photoshop. So click anywhere here on the page, and now a note is created. Let's say here, hello, notes, and yeah, here's the note. It appears here for anybody who opened the PSD file, but it doesn't appear when you export this PSD file into a JPEG or any format of pictures. And if you wanna hide this, click here. And if you wanna hide the note from appearing while working, simply go to View and go to Show and click on Notes. Now the notes are still available, but they're not just viewed, they're here and they're hidden. That's all for today, and that's how to use notes on Photoshop. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have, and have a nice day.